Okay, so the other day, right, I went to this Halloween shop, and I was like, I don't know, looking for some like cool new props that we can implement for our shitty online show. You won't believe what I found.
We're talking about the one with the two losers, the Stegosaurus and the golfer?
Yeah, that one.
What'd you find?
You won't believe. Stay there. Stay there.
Alright, sure.
I got a chainsaw sword!
Yo! Bruh. Yo, that looks really tight, man. Can I hold it?
Yeah, go for it. Go.
This is really cool.
You wanna know what's better than a chainsaw sword?
Two chainsaw swords.
Yep. That's why I got one for you and one for me. Best buddy!
Yo! Man, this is really cool, man. Thanks, homie. God, like, shit, what should we do, man?
Let's go on an adventure!
Yo!
Yeah!
Yo!
Yeah!
Who the heck are those two guys?
Oh my god! No. Is that a chainsaw sword?
Yo, this is fucking stupid. Why don't you just go do something else?
Dude, those guys are like the final boss from a video game. Look at the fucking swords, man.
Mom, hold me!
No, don't!
No!
Oh no!
God, man, these swords are so badass. So man, shit is so awesome. I don't know what to do. Today could be. Oh shit! Yo, look at that!
Whoa.
Look at that hot slice of Mamma Mia right there.
Looking delicious.
Oh,
Like,
girl, hey
man.
girl, how you doing, man?
That body
I like
shape,
your bow
man.
tie. You cute girl.
Looks spicy.
Yeah. You know what? I think she's Russian. I think she's Russian.
I don't know, man.
I think she's Russian.
I see some Italian.
No, I don't see no Italian season. I see nothing
I
but
see
Russian, man.
Stuffed crust.
Man, she got stuffed crust in
Oh,
the
man.
back. Woo!
Yeah.
Fresh out the oven, girl.
Come from Domino's Pizza.
Oh, damn. Hey, I'm not really the type of guy, that does this kind of stuff, but may I ask you, do you like our swords? Gross. No.
What? You only date guys with pizza cutters?
No, I only date guys who are dual wielders. All right, Chris, give me the sword. Come on.
No.
Stop being a bitch ass. Man, she's the love of my life, and I want to make babies with her.
Bro, she's the love of my life. I want to make babies with her too.
Well, I paid for them.
You said it was a gift.
Well, if it was a gift, I would have gave you the receipt. Now give me back my chainsaw sword back. Come on.
No.
Stop being ridiculous.
No.
Come on.
No.
It's mine. It's
Mine.
mine. No.
Yo, bruh, I can't do this. I'm scared. I want to die, man.
Damn it. Me neither. Okay? But we gotta do this, or otherwise she'll think that we're both pussies, and neither of us get a slice of that action.
Should we just let it go, man?
Of course not. She's got a vagina.
2 chainsaw swords. Man, how could they get any better? Whoa! Hey yo, is it cool if I eat your box?
Sure.
I love the place, but I hate it. The values are all fucked up. Hey, can I show all these guys?
Yeah, go
Hey guys, you guys have time for an interview? DC Street Legal. We're talking about all the marijuana that's going through the city. Hey, we're giving out samples. See, look, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, no, G, it's good with you. Keep pushing. All right, man, it was nice meeting you, bruh. I hope this shit makes it to the show. If it doesn't, you got a buck?
Huh?
You got a buck so I can buy a cigarette?